Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at these wireless headphones with active noise cancellation. These are Bluedee headphones. Thank you for sending them out. And these are the BD-BH200. There's the model right there. And of course the link will be in the description where you can pick these up on Amazon. They have high-res audio right down there. Here's some of the specs on here. 10 meter connection range, 40 watt dynamic drivers, 50 hours of playtime, and 800 hours of standby time on a charge. So there's just what they look like right there. And then noise canceling, high-res audio, comfortable, and extra bass. So we'll be testing all that out here shortly. We'll get them out of the box. I do have AirPods Max as well. So kind of compare the two. Similar over to your headphones, you know, with the noise cancellation. So here is the packaging. Comes out just like that. Nothing else in the box. Let me just put the box off to the side here, and then we'll take a look at what we get. So just a little thank you card right here, with some troubleshooting steps right there, and some information on how to extend the warranty, using them with different devices, noise cancellation mode, stuff like that. There, right here in this box, I'm guessing we have either a bag or charging cable, and it is a charging cable, and also a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack if you want to connect it wired to a device. One thing, they are USB-C, so that is nice to see. No pun intended. And we do have a bag in here, just under the headphones there. So very, very nice microfiber feeling bag, very nice and soft. More information about the lifetime warranty right there on the bag with the warranty code. Little drawstring bag. And then we have the user guide down in the bottom there. I'm just going to leave that in there. They are folded up, as you can see, so we'll go ahead and unfold them. They do feel pretty sturdy. They're not like flimsy, but they're not tight either, which is a good thing, because I don't like headphones that have a really tight hinge and they're just like squeezing your head together. It gets very uncomfortable after a while. I can tell right off the bat here that these ear cups are very soft and very padded, so that is nice. We have your active noise cancellation button right there, and nothing on this side. Got your USB-C and your headphone jack down there, and then it looks like we have your power button here in the middle, and it does have voice prompts, so if you're not, if you have them on, you can hear, that the power is on. You can see that they're in pairing mode right there. So we'll go ahead and grab my S24 Ultra here and go into Bluetooth. And you can see I have a bunch of devices here, but here we have the BD-BH200. So we'll go ahead and hit pair. And we'll just accept that pairing request. And there you go, we can see they are paired. They show their battery life. Volume popped up right there. Battery life does work on my battery widget here on my S24 Ultra. We'll hit the noise cancellation button. And you can see there is a little green light right there indicating that that is on, and it does have voice prompts for that as well. It says ANC on. Turn it off. Got your volume. It looks like this can also be used as play pause, or sorry, the middle one can be used as play pause, answering in calls, and then you hold it for your power. So I'm going to put these on and use them for a little bit, try them with some, YouTube videos, that kind of stuff, and I will come back and let you guys know how they sound. Alright, take them off the top because I have the active noise cancellation on, but you can see there, they fit over the ears pretty well. The active noise cancellation does work pretty well. I would say it's not as good as something like my AirPods Max, where when you put them on you basically can't hear anything at all, but there is definitely a noticeable difference in having it on or off. So that is nice. It does lower the ambient sound around you. Sound quality is pretty good. I have yet to run out the battery just in day-to-day use. Used them for watching like YouTube you know, music on my phone, stuff like that, just as a secondary pair of headphones. I usually use my AirPods Max with my MacBook when I'm editing or watching YouTube on there. But when I was using my Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is what I paired them to, I used these headphones right here, and like I said, they paired up right away. You guys saw that in the first part of the unboxing. They went right into pairing mode and they paired right away. I didn't have to fumble with it or anything like that, so no issues there. So very, very nice set of headphones for noise cancellation. Like I said in my initial unboxing, the ear cups are very nicely padded, and they are very comfortable on your head. You can see they fit snugly like that. They fold up easily for travel. Like I said, they do come with that bag, so you can throw them in the little drawstring bag, little microfiber bag they come with. Throw them in like a backpack or whatever the case may be, and take them with you. So overall, recommend these headphones if you're looking for just something simple for maybe a trip or using around like the office or something like that. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.